Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ally to School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. In this lesson, students are introduced to this and these. By the end of this video, students will be able to make and write sentences using this is and these are. Know about singular and plural nouns. Recognize fruits and their names. Look at this child. What is he doing? He is playing with his toy car. You know what he says? He says, "This is my car." He says, "This is my car." Look at this child. He is holding a ruler. You know, this is a ruler. And he says, "This is my ruler." Repeat after me. This is my ruler. This child seems to be very happy. You know, he says, "This is my pencil." Repeat after me. This is my pencil. This boy is holding a book. He says, "This is my book." This is my book. This boy is holding a big star and he says, "This is a star." Repeat after me. This is a star. This is a star. This boy is holding a duck and he says, "This is a duck." Repeat after me. This is a duck. Look at this child. He likes to eat an apple and he says, "This is an apple." This is an apple. Yes, this boy likes to eat an orange. He says, "This is an orange." Repeat after me. This is an orange. Are you reading? Good. Yes. Repeat after me. This is an orange. Look at this child. I think he likes to eat a mango. And you know, we eat mangoes in summer season. He says, "This is a mango." Repeat after me. This is a mango. Look at this monkey. He looks very happy. You know, monkey likes to eat a banana. And he says, "This is a banana." This is a banana. This is a banana. Now read these sentences. Repeat after me. This is an apple. This is an orange. This is a banana. This is a mango. Here, parents, you will ask the child to hold or touch the object or thing, or the child will point out the things or objects that are close to him or her. Tell the child that this is used with a singular noun. A singular noun shows one person or a thing. A singular noun shows one person or a thing. यहाँ पेरेंट्स बच्चों को ज़रूर बताएं कि दिस करीब के किसी एक शख्स या चीज़ के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और ये सिंगुलर नाउन्स के साथ इस्तेमाल होते हैं जो तादाद में एक हो Look at this girl. She is holding some books. You know what she says? She says, "These are my books." These are my books. Repeat after me. These are my books. Look at this girl. She is very happy. She says, "These are my pencils." These are my pencils. This girl seems to be very happy. What does she want to say? She wants to say, "These are my balloons." Repeat after me. These are my balloons. This girl likes to eat apples. She says, "These are apples." Repeat after me. These are apples. These are apples. Here, both boys like to eat oranges. and they say, these are oranges. Repeat after me. These are oranges. These are oranges. Yes, this boy likes to eat bananas. And he says, these are bananas. These are bananas. These are bananas. Yes, this boy likes to eat mangoes. And he says, these are mangoes. These are mangoes. These are mangoes. Read these sentences. Repeat after me. These are apples. These are oranges. These are mangoes. These are bananas. Remember, students, these are used for plural nouns. Plural nouns show more than one person or thing. Plural nouns show more than one thing or a person. यहाँ पेरेंट्स बच्चों को ज़रूर बताएं कि दीस करीब के किसी एक से ज़्यादा लोग और चीज़ों के लिए इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और ये प्लूरल नाउन्स के साथ इस्तेमाल होता है जो तादाद में एक से ज़्यादा हो. Now some activities for parents. Dear parents, practice should first be oral, listening and speaking, reading and writing follow afterward. A student first hear a new structure, then they speak it, then they read it, finally they write it. याद रखने की बात है कि पहले बच्चों को सुनने और बोलने की मशक करवाई जाएगी और फिर पढ़ने और लिखने का काम होगा. Activity 1. You can say, this is my hair, this is my ear, etc. One at a time. Touch each part of your body as you say the sentence. The child does the same as you do and say. यहाँ पेरेंट ये काम कर सकते हैं कि अपने किसी भी पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी को टच करने के बाद या उसकी तरफ इशारा करने के साथ ये सेंटेंस कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज़ माई हेयर. बच्चा वो जुमला आपका सुनेगा और बच्चा वही अमल एक्शन को दोहराएगा इस स्ट्रक्चर के साथ. एक्शन चेंज. द चाइल्ड टचेज अ पार्ट ऑफ हिज और हर बॉडी एंड सेज, दिस इज माई, सपोज हेयर, एयर, हेड, नोज, लिप. ही और शी देन पॉइंट्स टू अ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. पहले वो अपनी किसी चीज़ के पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी के बारे में ये सेंटेंस कहेगा, फिर वो आपके किसी पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी की तरफ इशारा करेगा तो आपको कहना होगा, फिर आप उसके करेंगे. इस तरह से ये सिलसिला चेन एक बनेगा जुमलों का. आप दीगर घर के बच्चों को भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इसमें. एक्टिविटी नंबर 2. यू कैन यूज पिक्चर्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स अवेलेबल एट होम. यू होल्ड और टच द पिक्चर्स और ऑब्जेक्ट्स व्हाइल स्पीकिंग द सेंटेंसेस. आप घर में रखी हुई चीज़ों को, तस्वीरों को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. आप उन्हें पकड़ लीजिए, उन्हें उनके करीब चले जाइए या अगर वो करीब है तो उनकी तरफ इशारा कीजिए और इन जुमलों को आप बोल सकते हैं. रिमेंबर दैट द चाइल्ड मस्ट टच द ऑब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट्स व्हेन ही और शी स्पीक्स. ही और शी कैन पॉइंट आउट द थिंग्स दैट आर क्लोज टू हिम और हर. ये याद रहे कि बच्चे भी जब इस काम को करेंगे तो उनके चीज़ें उनके करीब या उनके हाथों में हो या वो उनको करीब से इशारा करें. It would be wrong to use this or these for things that are some distance away. ये याद रहे कि this और these का इस्तेमाल दूर की चीज़ों के लिए नहीं किया जाता है. Activity number 3. You can take different objects in your hand or point out the things as the child has already known them and ask the question. जो पहले से बच्चे जिन चीज़ों के नाम जानते हैं उनको आप अपने हाथों में ले लें और उनसे क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ दिस. बच्चा आपको रिप्लाई दे सकता है, दिस इज़ अ पेंसिल. यही काम बच्चा भी आप अपने हाथ में लेकर आपसे पूछ सकता है. तो व्हाट के ज़रिए से हम उसे क्वेश्चन करना सिखा सकते हैं और रिप्लाई ले सकते हैं. Here lesson has been finished. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.